If you want to enjoy the holiday desserts, but you're a little worried about all those calories, then you're going to want to keep watching this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, I have two recipes that I'm going to be sharing with you. And the one recipe is only 2 ingredients, the other one is 3, but the base of this recipe is this and this. That's it, friends. And we're gonna throw in a little bit of chocolate chips. 2 different recipes, Weight Watchers friendly. So I'm gonna be making some pumpkin spice muffins, and I'm also gonna be making some pumpkin spice chocolate chip cookies. I already made these, so we're gonna go back in time and check them out. I took them to work, and at the end, I'll let you know what everybody thought. So let's get started with making those pumpkin muffins first. All right, so here is what we're gonna need to make the pumpkin spice muffins. We have a large bowl, a spatula, a muffin pan, cupcake liners, a can of pumpkin, and a spice cake. So friends, as you see, it's only 2 ingredients. And if you don't have cupcake liners, you can just spray the pan. I just happen to have some fall liners and thought it would be perfect for this recipe. Told you, friends, 2 ingredients, that's it. All right, let's get started. All right, my friends, so my oven is set for 350. That's already preheating. I just dumped my can of pumpkin, plain old pumpkin, not pumpkin pie mix, just plain old pumpkin, just dumped it right in there. I have my muffin tray, already put my liners in. If you don't have liners, give it a really, really good spray. Have my pumpkin, my spiced cake mix. That's it. Dump a little bit in, and then we're going to stir it. Now this recipe has been floating around on Facebook, Pinterest, just, you know, it's out there. You just see a little picture of it. So I really don't have where it originated from, but I definitely did not create this. So what you're going to do is just keep stirring and stirring. It will start to get thick. That's why you want to just add a little bit at a time, like a third or a half, you know, and just mix it up just like this. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit more. I'm going to stir this in again. I've got pumpkin on my thumb. And the last of it. All right, I'll pull my sleeves up so I don't make a mess. And we're just going to finish mixing it all in. Now, if you can see the consistency starting to really change now. Adding the last of that cake mix in there. So now my hands are getting a little sore. Not gonna lie. Total transparency here. But it honestly, friends, really, it's not that bad. Couple different of the recipes. I looked at different recipes to see about the time, cook time, the temperature, and all that. And a lot of them said that it gets harder to stir. And it does, but it's really not horrible. Okay, let's take this off. My hands are clean. I just washed them. All right, make sure I have all. Okay, let me go over, get my spoon, and we're gonna start putting this in the paper liners, cupcake liners. Alrighty, we're gonna fill these up about 2/3 of the way full. So let's go ahead and drop that right in the middle there. as I said, look how many I got, 18. I told you, 18 to 20 is all I ever get. I don't know why. I think I fill it up too much. But we're gonna put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. It could go a little bit longer than that. So let's go ahead and get them in. All right, my friends, while my pumpkin spice cupcakes are in the oven, it's gonna take about 20 minutes. I thought I'd go ahead and get the cookies mixed up and ready to throw in the oven as soon as they come out. So let me turn the camera down, go over all the ingredients, and then we'll get started. All right, my friends, we're gonna start here. We have a baking sheet. I have a box of spice cake mix, a can of pumpkin. You want pure pumpkin puree, but not pumpkin pie mix. Do not get pumpkin pie mix. Spatula, ice cream scoop, large mixing bowl, my tray covered in some parchment. I have decided you can make this just with the pumpkin and the spice and it's perfect cookies. But since I'm doing the pumpkin and spice muffins, I thought, you know what? I had a bag of some chocolate chips. I'm gonna throw those in there. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, my friends, you saw same ingredients. The only thing is I decided, like I said, to throw in the chocolate chips just because I'm gonna have two of the same thing. But you can absolutely make this with just these two ingredients. The oven is gonna stay on 350, so we don't need to change it if you're making the or not cupcakes, if you're making the muffins. But if you're not, 350. So let's go ahead and put this together real quick. All right, my friends, just canned pumpkin. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with the muffins. Just mix it up really well. Alrighty, I have a 12-ounce bag of chocolate chips. So we're gonna throw those in there, just like that. Come on, you can get out. Don't waste any. I'm gonna mix that up. These be good for Halloween too. The colors are perfect for Halloween treats as well. You could make these and put some googly eyes on them and have monster cookies or something for Halloween. All right, my friends, you can see it is already mixed up. I have my cookie tray here, my little ice cream scoop. We're just gonna go ahead in and we're just doing a little scoop. Just like that. That one might have been a little too big. Let's get a little bit of that off. I think I made that one a little too big. They don't spread like a, you know, really large. There we go. Alrighty, I'm gonna set these aside, finish up this, and then by then I'm hoping my muffins will be ready. All right, my friend, let's do a quick look and see if our muffins are done. Like I said, I put it in for 20 minutes. Oh, they smell delicious. Oh yeah. They are done. Yay! All right, 20 minutes was the perfect amount of time. Alrighty, we're gonna let those cool real quick. All right, my friends, as you can see, I did a much better job laying these out on the tray. We're gonna go ahead and put them in the oven. It's at 350 already because we had made the muffins. We're gonna put these in for about 12 minutes to 14 minutes or so. I don't know if you can see little man down here. Let's go ahead and throw these in the oven and get them baked. All right, my friends, we're gonna go ahead and take our little muffins out, just put them on the tray so they can cool a little bit faster. All right, my friends, so there we have that. So there you have it, my friends. There you have it. I'm gonna do a quick taste test while we're waiting. That's what it looks like coming off the paper. Oops. See if, oh, it's still a little warm. I'll have hubby try it and see what he thinks. Oops. I like it. This is really good. I'm gonna put up here what hubby thinks and let you know. I like that a lot. All right, my friends, let's see how our cookies look. Ooh. Oh, this one did spread a little bit. Ooh. I'm gonna put them back in just for about another 2 minutes. All right, my friends. Yeah, I think we're good now. Let's take those out. I lost my toothpick. There it is. I just kind of want to go in the middle with my toothpick. Yeah. A little bit of chocolate, which is fine. Yeah, we're good. I did about 14 minutes. Ooh. Now you're supposed to let these cool for about 5 minutes before you take them off the tray. So I'm gonna put my other batch in for about 14 minutes. I actually probably will go about 14 minutes on that one. And then we'll do a taste test. All right, my friends, it's been 5 minutes now. So we're just going to go ahead and take our cookies up. I'm just gonna put them on a rack to let them cool even more. They come up pretty easy, as you can see. And then when my other batch comes out, we'll let them sit as well. All right, my friends, so let's give these cookies a taste test. They're very soft. They're very muffin-like. So I think it's gonna taste just like the muffins, just thinner. Well, because the chocolate chips are in there, totally different taste. And these are good too. Very soft. Oh, friends. These are very good too. Wow. They're good. Really, really good. Oh my goodness. Look. I was expecting them to be just like the muffins, but I think adding the chocolate chips, if you're gonna make the muffins and the cookies, add the chocolate chips. If you're not, I mean, you can even add the chocolate chips to the muffins if you want, friends. Either or, if you want muffins or cookies, either or. But they're really, really good. Yum, yum, yum. All right, my friends, that'll do it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, these are Weight Watchers friendly. You don't have to worry about counting the calories, and you're still gonna have a awesome fall winter dessert that you can eat and not have to worry about counting those calories. So if you end up making this recipe or one of these recipes, please let me know below. I would love hearing from you. So friends, thanks so much. And please don't forget to hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as it does greatly help me out. Friends, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.